To search for journals in Chemeketa's library, you can go to the library homepage, library.chemeketa.edu, and click the Articles and Databases button. On the database page, you can either scroll down in the alphabetical list or click on the alphabet shortcut to find Proquest Central in the list of databases. When you click on Proquest Central and get to the Proquest Central screen, go to the navigation menu at the top of the screen and click on Databases. We're going to be limiting the universe of journals that we search in to psychology journals by scrolling down in this long list of journals that are under Proquest Central, or databases rather. And when we get to Psychology Database, we'll click on Psychology Database. And now we're searching only in psychology-related journals. You can put in a search in the space. It may be helpful if you use terms from your psychology book in your searching. And the first thing I'm going to do is click peer-reviewed to limit to the kinds of journals that report on scholarly research. For myself, I like to look at more recent journals, and so I'm going to update my list to look only at about the last 10 years worth. And to make it easy on myself, I'm going to click on full text. It's not necessary to click on full text because each article, if it doesn't have full text, will give you a place to check whether Chemeketa has a full text in a different database. But for this demonstration, I'm only going to look in the journals that actually have full text here in Proquest Central. When I click on the title of an article in my list, I can see full information about it. I have the title of the article, the authors, the title of the journal, in this case Memory and Cognition, and when it was published. Here is the abstract. Every article that reports on research will have an abstract, a short description of what this particular research is about. Then I see there's an introduction that discusses research in this field. And eventually I get to a section for method or methodology. It describes the participants that were used in this study, how it was designed, and so on. There'll be a section for results, sometimes called findings. And then there's a discussion telling me what is the significance of those results. In this case, there were actually 2 experiments performed, and so there are 2 sets of sections. At the end, I have my list of references. So this is indeed a research article, and I can download it, get a citation for it, email it to myself, or save it into my Google Drive on my Chemeketa. This concludes finding a research article.